Hey guys, I am back. I am going to try and decorate some Christmas balls. I had to kind of adjust the camera angle today so that you have a better view since these are so tall. I've got them sitting on skewers that I put through a styrofoam cup. That should hold them. I've already mixed up some different paints. I've got more paint than I have balls at the time, but I have some more I can pull out. But I don't know how much paint these really need, so I've put maybe an ounce and a half, maybe just an ounce in here. If this first cup doesn't feel like it's got enough, then I can add more paint to the other cups. But let's just give it a try. We're just going to slowly pour it on top of the ball. And I tried to stick with the metallic colors, greens and reds, since it is Christmas after all. And we'll just see. Now, it may not cover the entire ball, but that's okay. Having some clear at the top is kind of cool. This had sea green, sea green, bronze, and sea green, bronze, and metallic red in it. It did a pretty good job covering. I could probably move. Let me get a, sorry guys for my arm. I'm gonna get a stir stick. Just kind of maybe move the ball. Yeah, this side didn't get covered very well over here. I don't think there's much I can do about that either at this point. Maybe try and hold it. These are the Arteza Ready Mix paints, so they do dry fast. Maybe if I hold this way, I can get the paint to come down over it. It's very pretty. I'm sorry I'm holding it out of your range. It is a very pretty design if it stays like this. But I just have this one little section here that's not covered. I don't know if I could use my finger like I do on the paintings and just kind of draw it down. Alright, I think I'm going to leave it tilted so that that end is down. That way hopefully any remaining paint will run that direction. But that one turned out pretty cool. I may add a little more paint to each cup just to make sure that I get the coverage I want. But that one's pretty cool. Whee! Alright, that one's going over there. Let's pull another one up. Let's see if I want to add, I'm out of gold and that's what I topped this one with, so let me see if I can get, there's a little more in there. Alright, let's see if this is enough for this one. I'm going to try and hold it straight too. It's as straight as I can get it. Now try and go pretty slow too. See if that helps. Ooh, goodness. This has got some vermilion red. There's no black in there. That must be, oh, there's phthalo green or or hunter green. I can't remember. I'll have to look. This one's turning pretty. I like that dark green with the gold. I think I'm getting more coverage this time too. I think I'm going to leave my cups upside down too. Maybe I can get some really cool skins out of those. Alright, let's see here. This side's very well covered, but I do again have, oh goodness, I do again have small areas over here that are not covered. Let me see what I can do here. There we go, we've got that covered. One side's very, very dark with that dark green, and the other side is very pretty with the gold and the red merging in. Let me spin this one around for you here. See how solid green that side is? But this other side is really pretty. The top's really pretty too. The colors just do not show as colorful on the camera as they really are in person. I hope those stay like that because that is really beautiful. Alright, next up, and I mixed each one of these cups differently, so we're going to see all different color combinations here. Alright, next up. This one ended with the metallic wine red, so let's see, I'm almost out of it too. I think I'm going to top it with some silver. I don't know what the color was underneath. I can't remember. There's probably some green underneath here, so let's see what happens. Here comes the green. There we go. I'm trying to spin to see what side needs more paint on it, and this one needs it, so we're gonna let it drip down. I think I got full coverage on this one, guys. Yep, we got it covered. That side's really cool. Alright, back on your stick. Alright, let's let it dry. We'll move on to the next cup. This is kind of cool. Since I poured each cup separately, each one's going to come out looking totally different from the others. But they all kind of do blend because it's all the same colors, just poured out in different ways. Alright, let's see. That's this one. This one was topped with silver, so we'll put more silver in it. I think I'm going to put a little bit of this, let's see, sea green. I like that sea green. on this first one. That was pretty. Alright, let's see what happens. I try and stand them as straight as possible. Ooh, this one doesn't have any red in it. Oh, nope, there's some red. I see some red. It's coming. Alright, I do have a couple spots there that are not covered. Just trying to let gravity cover them, and then if gravity won't do it, then I will come in and do it myself. But there should be enough paint on here to cover this. If I can just get it to move in the right direction. Come on. Alright, it's gonna need help, so... Alright. Oh, goodness. Ooh, look at that. Oh my god, look at that. That's so cool. Alright, that is awesome. Let's let her dry. I gotta get more balls, so please bear with me. Guys, we are back. I have got 2 more setups to do our last 2 cups of color, and we will be ready to go to bed for the night, even though I can't sleep. I think I'm gonna add some more silver to this one. And what does this one need? This one needs some bronze. Alright, here we go, guys. Let's see what this one gives us. I'm gonna hold it. My hands are so discolored. Look, my hands. It's yuck. Alright, let's go. Alright, let's see. Do we have any holes on this one? I'm trying to cover a small hole that I found. So bear with me, guys. Oh, that did it. Alright, so this is this one. So pretty. The metallic colors are just not showing very well on the screen. But these are turning out so pretty. I definitely need to add, I like that sea green in there, so I'm going to add some more sea green to this next one. I don't know if it'll stay since it's the last added. The last added is usually the first to fall off. But there we go. So pretty. Alright guys, last one of the night. This is going to be a pretty short video, I think. Here we go. There's that sea green that I like. Ooh, wait a minute, hold on. There's something on the bulb. There we go. Alright, now we can try again. Ooh, goodness. Ooh, I lost it. Alright, this one has a couple holes too, so bear with me while I try and manipulate the paint. And this one doesn't have any red in it. It is all greens and golds and bronze and silver. And it's covered. And that's that one. So pretty. That's pretty. And I will let them dry here overnight, and we'll see in the morning what we've got.